In today's video, I'll show you how you can use a coupon code on Quillbot to get a huge discount. So let's get started. So here we are in Quillbot, and from here is that you just simply want to go here into their website by using the link in the description, and then you'd now be able to see that you can now get 40% off. So the sales ends at August 31st, so this would also depend on your time zone. So basically the validity of this would be August 17 to 31 on US and September 21 to October 5 on EU and Latin America. Now, in here is that you just simply want to click here on the person icon right here in the top right to sign up or log in first. That's very important before we can get our subscription. Now, I'm going to just go with Google account. You could also go for Facebook, Apple, or even your email if you don't want to. I'll just go with Google since it's easier. And now once you're signed in, you will now have this pop-up. You can now add extension to Google Chrome so that you'd be able to use this easier, but I'm just going to skip this because I'm just interested in going to the pricing plan to show you the discount, which is this one right here. So basically just use this and click here on Get Premium. And then you'll now be prompted on the pricing plan, and then we have these plans that they offer. So choose on what you want. So most likely it's the premium one. So I'm going to click here on upgrade, and now you can pay annually, quarterly, or monthly. So if you'd want to save as much as possible, go for annual, as this would make you save 75% off the total price instead of going for monthly. As you can see, there is a massive jump in pricing. So this would be like just $3 or $2, and this one is like $13 per month if you convert that into USD. And next is that you would want to go here into the discount code right here if it's not yet applied. But by default, if you use the link, it should now be applied. If not, then you can just write this code in here, and then you would now have the same discount. After that, you want to provide your payment details and click on pay, and then it will now be processed. And once it's paid, you will now have your subscription with a discount. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.